Orangutans share 97% DNA with humans. Mind-blowing truth. What if I told you that one of the most intelligent creatures on Earth shares about 97% of its DNA with you? Orangutans may look very different from humans, but deep inside their genetic code, behavior, and emotions, the similarities are truly astonishing. These incredible apes can solve problems, use tools, recognize themselves, and even show emotions that seem surprisingly human. Today, we're exploring 10 mind-blowing facts about orangutans that will completely change the way you see our distant relatives. Make sure you stay until the end because the final fact reveals something so remarkable that scientists are still studying it today. Fact number 1. Orangutans share about 97% of human DNA. One of the most astonishing facts about orangutans is that they share approximately 97% of their DNA with humans. DNA acts like a biological instruction manual that determines how living things grow and function. Because so much of our genetic code is similar, orangutans display many traits that remind us of ourselves. They have expressive faces, complex emotions, and impressive intelligence. Scientists use these similarities to better understand human evolution and the history of our species. Despite millions of years of separate evolution, many genetic traits remain surprisingly alike. This close relationship explains why orangutans can learn complicated tasks, solve problems, and form strong social bonds. Looking at an orangutan is like getting a glimpse into a distant chapter of humanity's own story, making them one of our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom. Fact number 2. Their name means person of the forest. The word orangutan comes from the Malay language and means person of the forest. This name perfectly reflects how human-like these animals can seem. Native people who observed orangutans centuries ago noticed their intelligence, behavior, and almost human expressions. Orangutans spend most of their lives high in the rainforest canopy, moving gracefully among the trees. They build sleeping nests, care for their young, and navigate complex forest environments with remarkable skill. Their thoughtful movements and curious nature often remind observers of human behavior. The name has survived for generations because it captures the unique connection people feel when watching these apes. Even today, researchers are fascinated by how closely orangutans resemble humans in both appearance and actions, reinforcing the idea that they truly are people of the forest. Fact number 3. Orangutans are brilliant problem solvers. Orangutans rank among the most intelligent animals on Earth. They are capable of solving puzzles, remembering solutions, and adapting to new situations. In scientific studies, orangutans have demonstrated impressive reasoning skills by figuring out how to access food, manipulate objects, and complete complex tasks. Some have even learned to use tools in creative ways to overcome obstacles. Their intelligence allows them to survive in challenging rainforest environments where finding food often requires innovation and patience. Researchers have observed orangutans studying a problem carefully before taking action, a behavior often associated with higher intelligence. These abilities suggest advanced cognitive skills that are surprisingly similar to those found in humans. Watching an orangutan solve a challenge can feel remarkably familiar, reminding us how closely connected we are through evolution and shared biological history. Fact number 4. They build a new bed every night. Imagine building an entirely new bed every single evening before going to sleep. Orangutans do exactly that. Each night, they gather branches, leaves, and vegetation to construct comfortable nests high in the trees. These sleeping platforms provide safety from predators and protection from wet ground conditions. Researchers have discovered that orangutans carefully select materials and often reinforce their nests for extra comfort and stability. Some even create pillows and coverings using soft leaves. Young orangutans learn this important skill by watching their mothers and practicing over time. The ability to design and build a safe sleeping structure every day demonstrates planning, learning, and engineering skills. This behavior highlights their intelligence and adaptability while showing another fascinating similarity between humans and our close primate relatives. Fact number 5. Orangutan mothers have one of the longest childhoods in nature. Orangutan babies stay with their mothers longer than almost any other animal except humans. Young orangutans often remain under their mother's care for 7 to 9 years. During this time, they learn essential survival skills such as finding food, building nests, identifying dangers, and navigating the rainforest. Mothers invest enormous amounts of time and energy into teaching their offspring everything needed for independent life. This extended childhood allows young orangutans to develop complex knowledge and behaviors. Scientists believe this long learning period contributes significantly to their intelligence. The close bond between mother and child is incredibly strong and often filled with affection and communication. Watching this relationship provides a powerful reminder of the importance of parenting and education in both human and animal societies. Fact number 6. They can use and create tools. Tool use is often considered a sign of advanced intelligence, and orangutans excel in this area. In the wild, they have been observed using sticks to extract insects, gather honey, and access food hidden inside difficult places. Some orangutans even modify tools to make them more effective. In captivity, researchers have witnessed them solving problems with remarkable creativity using objects available in their environment. This ability demonstrates planning, understanding of cause and effect, and adaptability. Tool use requires mental flexibility and problem-solving skills that many animals do not possess. The fact that orangutans can create and utilize tools strengthens scientific evidence of their sophisticated cognitive abilities. Their ingenuity continues to amaze researchers and provides valuable insights into the evolution of intelligence. Fact number 7. Orangutans show human-like emotions. Orangutans experience a wide range of emotions that closely resemble those seen in humans. They display happiness, curiosity, frustration, fear, affection, and even grief. Researchers have observed mothers mourning the loss of their offspring and individuals comforting one another during stressful situations. Their facial expressions and body language often communicate feelings in ways that people can easily recognize. These emotional responses suggest a deep level of social and psychological complexity. Scientists believe that studying orangutan emotions helps us better understand the origins of human emotional behavior. Seeing an orangutan smile during play or show concern for another individual highlights the remarkable similarities between our species and reinforces the emotional connections shared across the animal kingdom. Fact number 8. They are masters of tree living. Orangutans are the largest tree-dwelling mammals in the world. They spend most of their lives high above the forest floor, where they travel, eat, rest, and sleep. Their long arms can stretch over 2 meters from fingertip to fingertip, helping them move efficiently through the canopy. Strong hands and feet allow them to grip branches securely while navigating complex tree networks. Living in the trees provides access to food and protection from many dangers found on the ground. Their incredible climbing abilities are the result of millions of years of adaptation to rainforest life. Watching an orangutan move gracefully among the treetops demonstrates a level of balance and coordination that is truly extraordinary. Fact number 9. Orangutans have excellent memories. Memory plays a critical role in the survival of wild orangutans. They must remember the locations of hundreds of fruit trees spread across vast rainforest areas. They also need to know which trees produce fruit during different seasons. Scientists have found that orangutans possess exceptional long-term memory, allowing them to plan travel routes and locate resources efficiently. This ability reduces wasted energy and increases their chances of finding food. Their impressive memory skills demonstrate advanced cognitive capabilities and environmental awareness. In many ways, these mental abilities resemble the planning and memory functions humans use every day. Such intelligence helps explain why orangutans are considered among the smartest animals on the planet. Fact number 10. Orangutans may help us understand human evolution. Perhaps the most fascinating fact about orangutans is their role in helping scientists understand human evolution. Because they share a large portion of our DNA and exhibit many similar behaviors, researchers study them to gain insights into how early human ancestors may have lived. Their intelligence, social interactions, parenting styles, and tool use provide valuable clues about the evolutionary path that eventually led to modern humans. Every new discovery about orangutans helps scientists piece together parts of humanity's ancient story. Protecting these incredible animals is not only important for biodiversity but also for preserving a living connection to our evolutionary past. In many ways, learning about orangutans helps us learn more about ourselves. Fact number 11. Orangutans can recognize themselves in mirrors. One of the strongest signs of advanced intelligence is self-awareness, and orangutans have demonstrated this remarkable ability. When scientists place a mirror in front of an orangutan, many quickly realize that the reflection belongs to them rather than another animal. They may inspect parts of their body, make faces, or use the mirror to examine areas they normally cannot see. This ability is rare in the animal kingdom and is shared by only a small number of species, including humans, great apes, dolphins, and elephants. Self-recognition suggests a sophisticated level of cognitive development and awareness of one's own existence. Researchers believe this ability is linked to higher thinking skills, problem-solving, and social understanding. Every time an orangutan passes the mirror test, it provides more evidence that these amazing apes possess mental abilities far beyond what many people imagine, making them one of the most intelligent creatures on Earth. Fact number 12. Wild orangutans can live more than 50 years. Orangutans are among the longest-living primates in the world. In the wild, many can live for more than 50 years, while some individuals in protected environments have reached their late 50s and even 60s. Their long lifespan allows them to gather experience, learn survival skills, and pass important knowledge to younger generations. Older orangutans often become experts at locating seasonal food sources and navigating the rainforest. This extended life also contributes to the strong learning process between mothers and their offspring. Scientists believe their long lifespan is one reason they develop such advanced intelligence and complex behaviors. Like humans, orangutans experience different life stages, from playful childhood to mature adulthood. Their ability to survive for decades in challenging rainforest environments highlights their adaptability, resilience, and incredible place among Earth's most fascinating animals. If these incredible orangutan facts amazed you, share this video with your friends and family so more people can learn about these intelligent and endangered animals. Every share helps spread awareness about wildlife conservation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing facts from around the world. What animal should we feature next? Tell us in the comments below.